Meet your ultimate partner in success, London School of Planning and Management. We're here to guide you every step of the way towards achieving your academic and career goals. At LSPM, we don't just provide education, we provide unwavering support and high-quality resources to ensure your success. Whether you're aiming for academic excellence or career advancement, we've got your back. With expert tutors, industry-relevant curriculum, and a supportive community, LSPM is your trusted ally in the journey towards your dreams. Together, we'll overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and pave the way for your success. Choose LSPM as your partner in success and unlock a world of possibilities. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.